वेलकम टू एसएससी सिविल ज्ञान। आज हम लोग बिल्डिंग मटेरियल एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन का क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। जिप्सम इज मैकेनिकली फॉर्म्ड बाय सेडिमेंटेशन रॉक। क्वार्जाइट इज ए सिलिशियस रॉक। स्लेट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय मेटामॉर्फिक एक्शन ऑफ स्लेट। हेवी स्टोन इज सुटेबल फॉर रिटेनिंग वॉल। Hard stone is suitable for rubble masonry. Soft stone suitable for ornamental work. Quartzite has most weathering resistance characteristic. A good building stone should not absorb more than 5%. If it is absorb 10%, then it should be rejected. Compacted sandstone has maximum fire resistance capacity. Weight test is conducted on stone used in dock and harbors. Granite is best suited for construction of piers and abutment. Crushing strength of stone should more than 100 MPa. Specific gravity of building stone 2.5 to 3. Pitch annual rings, hard stone, sapwood, cambium layer, inner and outer bark. ट्रिक इसका है पीएच स्केल PHSC, P for plinth, H for hardwood, S for sapwood, C for cambium layer and inner bark and outer bark. CSOM had hardest wood obtain maximum resistance to white ant, star shake. Radial split which are wider on outside of long, narrow towards the pith. Cheer and devdar are soft wood. Mulberry tea used for making spot wood. Dry rot caused due to lack of ventilation. Foxiness caused due to over maturity. Honeycombing caused due to seasoning. Strength of timber maximum parallel to grain, minimum perpendicular to grain. 10 to 12% moisture content of well seasoned timber. The age of timber is known by annual ring. First class timber has the average life more than 10 years. First class bricks should not absorb more than 20% when immersed in water for 24 hours. 22% for second class brick, 25% for third class brick. Crushing strength of first class brick should not be less than 10.5 Newton per mm square. For second class brick 7.5 Newton per mm square. Third class brick 3.5 Newton per mm square. If brick used in construction, then minimum crushing strength 5.5 Newton per mm square. The main function of alumina in brick impart plasticity. Percentage of alumina in brick 20 to 30%. Excess of alumina in brick cause crack and wrap on drying. Excess of silica causes brittleness. Nominal size of brick 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter. Standard size of brick 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. Silica in good brick earth 50 to 60%. Silica makes the brick to retain shape. Kneading, the process of mixing clay and other ingredient. 60 to 70% turn out in clay burning as 80 to 90% turn out in kiln burning. Pug mill used for preparation of clay. Refractory brick used in combustion chamber. The frog of the brick generally kept at the top of masonry. 500 brick required for 1 meter cube of brick masonry. Quicklime is calcium oxide. Hydraulic lime is obtained by burning of conker. Lime and silica, the maximum ingredient in the Portland cement. C3A is responsible for all desirable property. C3A elite Leach-Terrier apparatus used for testing soundness. VCAT apparatus used for testing setting time of cement. C3A responsible for initial setting time. Initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement of OPC not less than 30 minutes. Initial setting time should be 10 hours. Final setting time. Initial setting time for OPC ordinary Portland cement should not be less than 30 minutes. Final setting time of OPC should not be more than 10 hours. The normal consistency of ordinary Portland cement is 30%. Early altimeter strength of cement in the rapid hardening cement of due to finer grinding. After storage, the strength of cement decreases. Addition of pozzolana to ordinary Portland cement causes shrinkage. Gypsum consists of CaSO4 and H2O. Plaster of Paris CaSO4 half H2O. Plaster of Paris calcium sulfate hemihydrate dot H2O. 25 mm to 50 mm the slump recommended for mass concrete. Low heat cement used in massive construction. Calcium chloride, the common admixture, accelerate the initial setting time. Basic purpose of retarder in concrete to increase the initial setting time of concrete. Gypsum mostly commonly used as retarder. Carbon influence maximum properties in steel. Wrought iron, the purest form of iron. Ultimate tensile strength of steel 420 Newton per mm square. 0.25% of carbon in mild steel. Yield stress is used for identifying the quality of structural steel. Flemish bold alternate codes of header and stretcher. English bond alternate header and stretcher. English bond is more heavier load than Flemish bond. Pressure acting on the stone in stone masonry should be perpendicular in the direction of bedding plane. Queen closure is the cut brick into half, two equal part in lengthwise. Queen closure brick cut into two parts lengthwise. English bond provided in masonry for carrying heavy load. Slenderness ratio, the effective length of least radius of gyration for masonry wall, not more than 20. The differential settlement in the clay sandy soil, not more than 25. In case of foundation on brick cotton soil, most suitable method to replace the poor soil. Glaze foundation, the most economical foundation to transmit heavy load. Batten pile used to resist horizontal and vertical forces. 0.9 meter is the minimum depth of foundation for clay soil. Bearing capacity of waterlogged soil can be improved by draining the soil. Depth or height of arc is perpendicular distance between introde and extrode. Flat roof is the construction where the rainfall is less and temperature is high. Thanks for watching. नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे बहुत ही जल्दी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।